So it's your guys' last day in the Philippines. So
how did that happen?
5 words that describe the Philippines.
New, exciting, friendly, gorgeous, and I'm trying to think of a funny one for the last one. Traffic.
Traffic, islands, good friends, good food, and rainy.
Oh, so we're taking them to Trinoma right now. Fun fact about Trinoma, it has 5 Starbucks stores in the mall. Andrew and Diana are actually gonna be cooking dinner for us today. So we're gonna buy some ingredients here.
I know. Menu is lasagna or shells, salad, and garlic bread. We are bringing Italian America to the Philippines.
Yum, can't wait. Getting a pedicure. Right now Andrew and Diana are making lasagna for us. They're just doing a little thank you dinner. It looks like it's gonna be so good.
You want a brownie?
At last we had our feast. It was so good, so delicious. Thanks so much Andrew and Diana for making this meal. It was such a great time eating together. And thanks so much for the Remigios for hosting Diana and Andrew. Until next time, see you guys.